Roleplay 7, Discussion at Cloth Shop.
A man wants to buy clothes. He goes to a cloth shop and talks as follows.
Hello, mister. How are you?
Hello, mister. I'm fine. Tell me, what may I serve you?
I have come here for shopping and I want to buy some clothes.
What types of clothes do you want to buy?
I want to buy white cloth for kurta and pajama.
For whom do you want to buy these clothes?
I want to buy these clothes for me and my children.
Okay, look at this. It is best for kurta and pajamas.
Yes, it looks fine. How much per meter is for this?
70 rupees per meter.
70 rupees for a meter. It is so expensive. Show me some more clothes.
How about this blue color for kurta?
The blue color will be fine, but I want to buy a cloth of white color.
Okay, we'll do that, but tell me you want cotton clothes or woolen?
I like both types of clothes. Show me both types of clothes.
Look at this soft woolen cloth. How will it be?
No, I did not like it. Don't you have higher quality of cloth than this?
No, sir. This cloth is soft and of very good quality. These days, people are looking for this a lot.
Well then, when you're saying so confidently, so give me 10 meters of it.
Okay, anything else, sir?
No, that's it.
Shopkeeper. No problem.